Get ready to supercharge your wealth with AI. Welcome to AI Wealth Boost, where we bring you the latest and greatest in AI-powered wealth management. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future. Hey guys! You know, another day, another step closer to the singularity. And today, we're talking about GitHub's latest announcement, Copilot X, the next-gen coding assistant powered by GPT-4. And let me tell you, it makes the old Copilot look like a child's toy. These AI tools are like anabolic steroids for developers, giving them a huge advantage. And within the next 2 years, nobody coding professionally is going to be natty. Now, if you're someone who loves to code, like me, or you're a student learning how to code, you might feel a bit pessimistic right now. I mean, all of our open source code, Stack Overflow answers, and tutorials have been used to build large language models that are now being aggressively deployed to automate white-collar jobs. But let me tell you, programming is not dead. Personally, I feel extremely grateful to be living through these times. 150 years from now, when our heads are stored in a jar of preservative jelly, we'll be telling our great-great-great-grandkids how we lived through the great AI inflection point of 2023. Resistance is futile, my friends. If you want to survive, you have to be optimistic. These tools will only make us more powerful. But let's get real for a second. AI still can't deliver a great product to the end user and will need programmers who understand how to build these systems. But now, they'll be able to build them 10 times faster thanks to AI tooling. It's a great time to be alive if you love building things. The scary thing, though, is that Microsoft is single-handedly dominating the space. They've been on a blitzkrieg attack this last week, releasing product after product: Bing Chat, Copilot for Office, Bing Image Generator, and now Copilot X. You have to give Microsoft credit for not killing off Bing years ago, despite over a decade of people trashing it. They also acquired GitHub and took a major stake in OpenAI. And now, in just a week's time, all of their products look years ahead of the competition. Satya just gave us a free masterclass in business strategy. But let's get to the good stuff. GitHub Copilot X is currently in technical preview, so you can't use it today. But it has at least 5 game-changing features. The big one is its built-in chat window. With this tool, you'll be able to highlight a block of code and ask it for an explanation or ask it to refactor it. Or better yet, have it generate some unit tests. These are things you can already do today with ChatGPT, but now it'll be highly specialized for coding problems directly in your IDE. And most importantly, it'll have the context of your actual codebase. Remember, GPT-4 can handle 25,000 tokens versus only 3,000 tokens in GPT 3.5. Feature number 2 is Copilot for documentation. Instead of going to the actual docs or Stack Overflow, you'll now be able to generate answers based on a specific library's documentation. They're integrating the docs for React, Azure, and MDN, allowing you to generate answers and tutorials on the fly. A feature that terrifies me because it will make me obsolete as a programming instructor. But feature 3 is the one I'm most excited about: voice-activated Copilot. The need to be an extremely fast typist who can churn out 150 words per minute in Vim will be far less important in the AI programming age. After all, who wants to spend all day typing when you can just speak your code into existence? With Copilot X, you'll be able to speak your code and have it generated in real time. Imagine being able to build complex systems with just your voice. It's the ultimate dream for anyone who's ever struggled to get their thoughts into code. Feature number 4 is code prediction. Copilot X will be able to suggest code snippets based on your current context. So, if you're working in React and you start typing, use state, it'll automatically suggest the rest of the code snippet, saving you precious seconds of typing. Finally, feature number 5 is the integration with GitHub Actions. You'll be able to automatically generate workflows based on your code, saving you even more time and reducing the chance of human error. Overall, GitHub Copilot X is a game-changer for developers. It's the first AI tool that's actually useful in the day-to-day work of building software. And while there's still a lot of work to be done, it's clear that we're living through a transformational period in the history of programming. So, stay optimistic, keep learning, and embrace the power of AI. Thanks for tuning in. Let's boost your wealth with AI. Subscribe now for the ultimate edge.